Welcome to Auto. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix blood waste, not loading, and getting stuck on a black screen on PC when using Epic Games.
Fix 1. Verify game files Step 1. Open Epic Games Launcher Step 2. Go to Library, click 3 dots on Blood West Step 3. Select Verify and wait. Fix 2. Run game as administrator Step 1. Go to Blood West Install folder Step 2. Right-click Blood West. Exe Step 3. Click Run as administrator. Fix 3. Disable full screen optimization Step 1. Right-click Blood West. Exe Property Step 2. Open Compatibility tab Step 3. Check Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Apply Fix 4. Update Graphics Driver Step 1. Open NVIDIA/AMD Software Step 2. Check for latest driver Step 3. Update and restart PC. Fix 5. Turn off overlays Step 1. Disable Epic Overlay and Launcher Settings Step 2. Turn off Discord/Xbox Game Bar Overlays Step 3. Relaunch the game Fix 6. Launch in windowed mode Step 1. Epic Launcher Library Step 2. Click 3 dots, Manage Step 3, Add Launch option. Windowed.